Good morning, my dear students. I am Rasne Somnath, lecturer from Pravara Medical Trust, College of Pharmacy, Shivgaon. My subject is pharmacology and toxicology. Today I am going to discuss with you the new unit that is chemotherapy and that under the chapter that is antifungal drugs. Fungal infection may be systemic or superficially. जी काही फंगल इन्फेक्शन्स असतात ते फंगल इन्फेक्शन एकतर लोकली असतात किंवा सिस्टमॅटिक वे असतात किंवा सुपरफेशियली एरियावरती ते असतात. दे मे ऑकर ॲज अ प्रायमरी डिसीज ऑर सेकंडरी अँड टू ट्रीटमेंट विथ अँटीबायोटिक्स अँटी कॅन्सर ड्रग्स ऑर ड्यू टू HIV इन्फेक्शन्स. These antifungal drugs, classification of antifungal drugs. There are the five main class of antifungal drugs. Firstly, antifungal antibiotics. First, polyins. That example, amphotericin B, nystatin, and hamacin. This is the antifungal antibiotic in polyins derivative. In others, glycofulvin. Then another main class, antimetabolites. For example, fluocytosine. It is also known as 5-FC. Then azoles. Azole consists another two types, imidazole and triazole. Imidazole consists the example clotrimazole, miconazole, ketoconazole, and econazole. And this triazole under three example like that fluconazole, itraconazole, and turconazole. This is the main class of the antifungal drugs. Then fourth number class, that is alkyl amines, for example terbinafine. And last main class, other topical agents, for example tolnaftate, undicyclinic acid, benzoic acid, and cyclopyrox. This is the classification of antifungal drugs. There are the mainly five class of antifungal drug or antifungal agent. फर्स्टली अँटीफंगल अँटीबायोटिक्स, त्यामध्ये पॉलिन्स आहे. पॉलिन्समध्ये ॲम्फोटेरिसिन बी, नायस्टॅटिन आणि हेमेसिन. ऑदर्समध्ये ग्रायसोफुल्विन. सेकंड मेन क्लास आहे अँटीमेटाबॉलाइट्स, त्याचं एक्झाम्पल आहे फ्लिओसायटोसिन. त्यानंतर मेनली थर्ड क्लास आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये दोन टाईप्स आहेत, एक म्हणजे इमिडॅझोल, दुसरा म्हणजे ट्रायाझोल. इमिडॅझोलमध्ये आहेत क्लोट्रिमॅझोल, म्युकोनॅझोल, केटॅकोनॅझोल आणि इकोनॅझोल. ट्रायाझोलमध्ये आहेत फ्ल्युकोनॅझोल, इट्रॅकॅनॅझोल अँड टर्कॅनॅझोल. Then fourth, alkyl amines, for example terbinafine, and other topical agents consist tolnaftate, undicyclinic acid, benzoic acid, and cyclopyrox. This is the classification of antifungal agent. So one by one discuss here. Antifungal antibiotic first class, for example amphotericin B, it is also known as AMB. These amphotericin B are the polyene antibiotics, and these antibiotics are the obtained from Streptomyces nodosus. And this amphotericin B, it is effective against various infection like that Candida albicans, Histoplasma capsulitum, Cryptococcus neoformanus, Blastomyces dermatitis and Aspergillus. हे जे काय वेगवेगळे इन्फेक्शन्स आहेत त्या इन्फेक्शन्सला ट्रीटमेंट करण्यासाठी ॲम्फोटेरिसिन बी अँटीबायोटिक यूज केला जातो. Amphotericin B, it is the fungistatic at low concentration and fungicidal at high concentration. It acts by binding to the ergosterol of fungal membrane, and this forms pores in the cell membrane through which cell contents leak out and resulting in cell death. Amphotericin is not absorbed orally. This amphotericin B or the antibiotic does not absorb orally, so it is given by IV route and distributed widely in the body. This amphotericin B has a long half-life for 15 days. Adverse reaction of amphotericin B antibiotic, firstly fevers, chills, muscle spasm, vomiting, hypotension, headache on IV infusion. जर IV इन्फ्युजनने दिलं तर हे गोष्टी ॲडवर्स रिॲक्शन आपल्याला बघायला मिळतील. फेवर्स असेल चिल, थंडी वाजून येणे, ताप येणे, मसल स्पाझम, ओमेटिंग, हायपोटेन्शन अँड हेडॅक. देन सेकंड डिसऑर्डर पेन अँड थ्रोम्बोफिलॅबिटिस ॲट द साईट ऑफ इंजेक्शन. ज्या ठिकाणी इंजेक्शन दिलं आहे त्या ठिकाणच्या तिथे पेन होईल किंवा थ्रोम्बोफिलॅबिटिस क्रिएट होईल. देन ऑल्सो रेनल इम्पेअरमेंट, न्यूरोटॉक्झिसिटी अँड ॲनेमिया. दिस इज द ॲडवर्स ड्रग रिॲक्शन ऑफ द एम्फोटेरिसिन बी ड्रग. Then therapeutic uses of amphotericin B topically for oral, vaginal, and cutaneous candidiasis and otomycosis infection are the treatment by using this amphotericin B antibiotic. It is also used in the treatment for the cryptococcus, blastomycosis, aspergillosis, and mucosis infection, and it is also most effective drug for kala ajar अँड म्युकोक्युटॅनियस लेशमिनॅसिस. ह्या आजारांसाठी हा ॲम्फोटेरिसिन बी सगळ्यात मोस्ट इफेक्टिव्ह आहे. काला आजार अँड म्युकोक्युटॅनियस लेशमिनॅसिस इन्फेक्शनसाठी हा ॲम्फोटेरिसिन बी दिला जातो. देन सेकंड एक्झाम्पल नायस्टॅटिन. इट इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम स्ट्रेप्टोमायसिस नॉरेसी अँड इट्स हॅज ॲक्शन सिमिलर टू ॲम्फोटेरिसिन बी. सेम ॲक्शन एम्फोटेरिसिन बी सारखी आहे, बट इट इज टू टॉक्सिक फॉर सिस्टमिक यूज. जर सिस्टमिक यूज केलं तर त्याची टॉक्सिसिटी जास्त आहे. सो इट इज यूज ओनली टॉपिकली. दिस नायस्टॅटिन ड्रग. इट इज यूज इन लोकल कॅन्डिडियल इन्फेक्शन लाईक ओरल थ्रश अँड व्हॅजायनल कॅन्डिडियासिस. त्यासाठी हे नायस्टॅटिन ड्रग फक्त यूज केले जाते. नायस्टॅटिन इट इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द स्ट्रेप्टोमायसिस नॉरेसी. It has a action similar to that amphotericin B. It is a more toxic for systematic use. So these nystatin are used only topically. It is used in the treatment of the various infection like local candidin infection and like oral thrush and vaginal candidiasis infection. Then hemicin. Hemicin it is another poly in antibiotics and it is used topically for cutaneous candidiasis and otomycosis. Then another drug grisofulvin. Grisofulvin it is the fungistatic in nature, and this grisofulvin it is obtained from Penicillium grisofulvum. It is given orally for superficially dermatophytosis due to trichophyton and epidermophyton. It acts by binding to microtubular proteins in the nucleus. These disturb the mitotic spindle and inhibit the mitosis in the fungus. So this grisofulvin is a poorly water soluble in nature. Also bioavailability is a poor. Microfine particles or fatty food enhance its absorption. It binds to keratin of the skin. Then adverse reaction of the grisofulvin. Adverse effect of grisofulvin: allergic reactions, hepatitis and nephrotoxicity. This is the ADR of grisofulvin. And uses of grisofulvin such as it is used orally in superficially dermatophytosis and fungal infections of nail. नेलला फंगल इन्फेक्शन झालं असेल किंवा सुपरफिशियली डर्मॅटोफायटॉसिस झालं असेल तर त्याला ट्रीटमेंट करण्यासाठी ग्रायसोफुल्विन हे दिलं जातं. त्यानंतर आहे अँटी मेटाबॉलाइट्स ड्रग्स. अँटी मेटाबॉलाइट्स त्याचं एक्झाम्पल होतं फ्लुओसायटॉसिन. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज 5-FC. दिस इज दी फ्लोरिनेटेड पायरिमिडिन ड्रग and these fluocytosine are the effective against Cryptococcus neoformans and Candida. It is effective against Cryptococcus neoformans and Candida. It is converted to 5-fluorouracil and which inhibit DNA synthesis. Adverse effect are bone marrow depression, and GI disturbances. It is a use with amphotericin to avoid resistance in cryptococcal meningitis and systemic candidiasis. This is the fluocytosine are the antimetabolites derivative or class. For example, fluocytosine. These are the fluorinated pyrimidine, and these antimetabolites are effective against Cryptococcus neoformans infection and Candida infection. And this fluocytosine is converted to 5-fluorouracil and which inhibit the DNA synthesis. Adverse reaction of fluocytosine, that is bone marrow depression and GI disturbances, and this fluocytosine are used with amphotericin to avoid resistance in cryptococcal meningitis and systematic candidiasis. Then another drug, that is azoles. Azoles, imidazoles and triazoles. Azoles are a new synthetic antifungal drugs. They are orally effective and less toxic in nature. They have broad spectrum antifungal activity. These azole drugs, they inhibit the dermatophytes, candida infection, Cryptococcus neoformans, H. capsulatum, and deep mycosis. These all about the inhibit the infection of these azole drugs. Mechanism of azoles. Azoles inhibit the synthesis of ergosterol of fungal cell membrane by inhibiting the lanosin 14 alpha demethylase means cytochrome P450 एन्झाईम. ह्या एन्झाईममुळं हे ॲझोल काय करतात, इनहिबिट द सिंथेसिस ऑफ एर्गोस्टेरॉल and these enzyme catalyze the conversion of lanosterol to ergosterol. This is the mechanism of azole drugs. Azole inhibit the synthesis of ergosterol. जे काय एर्गोस्टेरॉलचं सिंथेसिस आहे ते इनहिबिट करायचे ऑफ फंगल सेल मेम्ब्रेन by inhibiting lanosin 14 alpha demethylase cytochrome P450 enzyme, and this enzyme catalyze the conversion of lanosterol to ergosterol. Then ketoconazole. Ketoconazole, it is the orally effective and is well absorbed. Food and low gastric pH enhance its absorption. फूड आणि कमी पी एचमध्ये याचं ॲब्सॉर्प्शन हे थोडं फास्टली आहे. ॲडवर्स इफेक्ट ऑफ केटोकोनॅझॉल, गॅस्ट्रिक इरिटेशन, नॉझिया, ओमेटिंग, हेडॅक अँड ॲलर्जिक रिॲक्शन्स. दिस इज दी adverse reaction of ketoconazole drug. Then inhibition of adrenal and gonadal steroid synthesis also. This result in gynecomastia, infertility, loss of libido, and azoospermia. This is also ADR of the ketoconazole. Ketoconazole having inhibition of adrenal and gonadal steroid synthesis. Uses of this ketoconazole. It is used in the treatment of mucocutaneous candidiasis and dermatophytosis infection. Then it is used in the treatment of Cushing syndromes, and it is also used in the treatment of deep mycosis requiring a long during treatment. This is the ketoconazole drug. Then fluconazole. Fluconazole are the water soluble oral azole and which is a well absorbed with good CSF concentration. So it is useful in fungal meningitis and it can also be used in intravenous route. Adverse reaction or adverse effect of fluconazole: mild gastrointestinal disturbances, headache and rash. No effect on hepatic microsomal enzyme. So drug interactions are less. Uses of adverse effect. Uses of fluconazole. Cryptococcal meningitis. It is used in the treatment of cryptococcal meningitis infection, systemic candidiasis, coccidiodal meningitis, tinnitus and mucocutaneous candidiasis. हे जे काही वेगवेगळे इन्फेक्शन आहे ह्या इन्फेक्शनला ट्रीटमेंट करण्यासाठी फ्लुकॅनाझोल अँटीबायोटिक ड्रग ओरली दिला जातो. त्यानंतर एट्रॅकॅनाझोल. इट इज द मोस्ट पोटेंट ॲझोल ड्रग. It is given by orally. Absorption is increases by food and gastric acid. Less effect on hepatic microsomal enzyme, and this also it does not affect steroid synthesis. It is available both oral and IV use. Adverse effect of itraconazole: GI disturbances, headache, dizziness, allergic reactions, also hepatitis and hypokalemia, and it is used in systemic mycosis, onychomycosis, candidiasis, and dermatophytosis. This is the use of the itraconazole. Itraconazole drug are the highly potent drug. It is used in orally route. It is used in the systemic mycosis, onychomycosis, candidiasis, and dermatophytosis reaction. Then itraconazole, econazole, turconazole, ticonazole, butaconazole, sulcanazole are all azoles. They are available as creams and lotions for topical use, and they are used in dermatophytosis and mucocutaneous candidiasis. इट्रोकोनॅझोल हे एक जे काय वेगवेगळे त्याचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ज आहेत लाईक दॅट इकोनॅझोल असेल, टर्कानॅझोल असेल, टायकोनॅझोल, ब्युटॅकोनॅझोल, सल्कॅनॅझोल आर ऑल ॲझोल्स. They are available in cream and lotion for topical use, and they are used in the treatment of the dermatophytosis and mucocutaneous candidiasis infection. Then terbinafine, last drug. It is the synthetic antifungal effective against dermatophytes and candida. It is the fungicidal and orally effective. It gets concentrated in keratin. It acts by inhibiting the ergosterol synthesis. An adverse effect of terbinafine drug, that is GI disturbances, rash, and headache. This is the ADR of terbinafine, and these terbinafine are the used for the antifungal effective against dermatophytes infection and candida infection. It is the fungicidal in nature and orally effective is terbinafine drug. This is all over the antifungal agent or antifungal drugs. Thank you so much.